Look at this, I just found a niche that is perfect. This is the German marketplace, 553 results for pooping animals calendar 2022. I did the same thing, search for it in the Amazon marketplace, and it's only 296 results. So one thing that I've noticed is that when a niche is trending in one marketplace, people don't tend to upload it in another marketplace. That means they have less results. So now that we've discovered this niche, we are at an advantage to upload it to other marketplaces like Amazon.com marketplace is just 200 results, as opposed to the German marketplace where the design originated or the niche originated, which is 500 results. So let's take a look at this niche, guys. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money in life fast and easy. In today's video, I've discovered a niche that is very inviting. Just like the niche that I did last time, this one right here, the perfect niche. I think I should make a playlist for this perfect niche, guys. So from time to time, I find a perfect niche, just one niche that not many people have discovered, like this one right here. It was a pumpkin stencil kind of book. I myself, I didn't even know about that niche before, so when I discovered it, I did a video about it. It was well received. This person made sales 2 days later. Let me just do a quick scroll. LV10, elf10, I'm not sure if that is correct. Thank you very much. I uploaded one book after your video, and after 2 days I had a first sale, and it has had a sale every day. Now I have 3 sales. It's very amazing. Thank you for your advices. So this was very encouraging, and I decided to make more perfect niches or more perfect niches kind of videos. And this is the video, or this is another video that contains just one niche and it's actually a perfect niche. So I think I'm gonna make a playlist for these perfect niches. So without further ado, guys, let's examine this niche. So like I told you in the beginning of the video, I did a search for, actually I was using Flying Research to do my research. So what I did was here is the niche right here. So what I did is I go to Flying Research. By the way, Flying Research is one of the tools that I use for both print on demand and KDP research. When I want to do research, I just come to Flying Research and I go to either bestsellers or seller trends. I use either of them. So for bestsellers, I click on bestsellers. If I'm doing KDP niche research, I go to KDP, then I click search. So here are the list of bestsellers. I just keep on scrolling. But this time around, I decided to search for books that are upcoming. That means that seller trends or books that are trending. So I went to seller trends, went to KDP, then clicked on search. And I did some scrolling. I scrolled down. I just kept on looking at the books. They were not too exciting, regular things that sell: how to draw, coloring books, cooking books, things like that, Halloween stuff. So something caught my attention, something unique, which was this pooping book. I saw it. I saw the first one. I just scrolled past it, and I was like, anyway. When I saw the second and saw the third one, I was like, okay, something is up with this book. Why is it trending? So I asked myself, why is it trending? And why am I seeing several books from the same marketplace? So that caught my attention. I decided to do more search. So here's the book, and I'm going to show you another one that has sold a bunch of times. This one has sold more than 1,000 times. Price at €9.87. So that caught my attention. This is the first one. Let me do another scroll. So it's actually doing quite well. This is another one here. The second one, I was like, okay, pooping animals. So it was in a different marketplace. So it's in a German marketplace in a language that I can't understand. And maybe that's why I passed this first one. But when I passed this first one, I saw the same thing here again. I was like, okay, this is becoming a trend. So I went down again, and within a few seconds, I saw the third book. This one right here. This one is a lion. So I was like, okay, now this has got to be a trend. So I decided to open it. I just click here. Let's do the one for the 1,000. The one that has more than 1,000 sales. Let's scroll back up. So this one right here. Let's open this up. So I click on more info. I wanted to see the description and everything in flying research. So I came here, clicked on the description, read more. I copied it. I went to Google Translate and I popped it in. So it says pooping animals calendar. So it's actually a 2022 calendar. You know, guys are already making calendars for 2022. It's not too late. I'm sorry, it's not too early to start making calendars for 2022. So they're not only making regular calendars for 2022, they're making pooping animals calendar for 2022. So you see, guys, that's niching down. So this niching down is actually doing well for them because they are saying that it's a gift for anyone to make anybody laugh. You know, people need laughter nowadays, guys. Everyone needs laughter here and now. So this calendar, each time you take a look at the calendar, you want to maybe note a date or something, and you see the animal popping, it makes you laugh, you know. And they say it's a gag joke person gives for Christmas. uh, you know, Christmas is slowly approaching. People are making gifts or books for Christmas. This, they say it can be a Christmas gift. It's a calendar size 8.5 by 8.5, has additional writing pages, things like that. So let's take a look inside and see if we can actually find something inside, like the interior, to find out what kind of interior they're using. So unfortunately, they didn't release their interiors, but this is the back. This is how the interior looks like. So it's just a regular calendar, 2022 calendar. It has additional notes by the side that if you want to jot down something. So this is how the interior looks like. This one is for June, and this one is for July. So it's different animals pooping. So uh, this one is a dog pooping, but the main, this should be maybe a deer pooping, you know. So it's a bunch of animals pooping. That's what makes it fun, that each time you turn a page you see a different animal pooping. So it's a nice idea, a nice concept that is actually selling. So like I said before, in the German marketplace, this is where this design originated, because I see a bunch of design from the German marketplace. But when I went to the Amazon.com marketplace, I saw just 296 results, guys. So let's see how this is selling in the Amazon marketplace. Look at this price, $13.99. This has a BSR of 34,511. No, $13.99, guys. I wonder how many royalties they're making from this. I don't actually know the pages, how many pages they're using, so I can't actually tell. But let's scroll down and see if it tells how many pages. Oh, look at this, guys. So this is another one, Nature Calls 2022 World Calendar is selling, guys. Look at this. These ratings are absolutely crazy. Look at this BSR. Very, very low. Oh, this is an FBA seller. It doesn't matter if this is an FBA seller. We can make our own books ourselves. So this one too, this is Zebra. When was this uploaded? Let's see. 2021, guys. 2021, I already has a review. And look at the BSR, very, very low. You know what? Let's take a look at when all of this was uploaded. So we know that this one is FBA, so we're going to skip it. Let's take a look at the first one. This one is not FBA. So it was uploaded 2020. Let's scroll down again. This was FBA. So this one is actually 2021, uploaded 2021. Estimated sales 8 and 9 per month. You know, guys. This one too, FBA. Let's scroll down. This one uploaded May 21 or May 20th, 2021. Here has two reviews, price $10.99. How many? I don't know how many pages this book has, guys. So let me open one of them in another page. Let's see how many pages. Okay, there you go. So 38 pages, guys. 38 pages, price at $10.99. That should be like around $5 royalties. So let's just do a quick search the royalty. So I use this Amazon tool. It's a royalty calculator tool. I'm going to leave the link to this tool in the description below. You can calculate your estimated royalties when you're pricing your book. So what I did was I I put in the paper type. You could put either paper type or hardcover. Interior and paper type, I left it as black and white paper interior. The page count was 38 because this one is 38. Scroll down here. Yeah, price 38. And marketplace amazon.com, this price 10.99 calculate. So I calculated, and the estimated royalty as seen here is approximately $4.44. So guys, this is not bad royalty. So just imagine how many or how much royalty this person is making from here. Let's take a look at this pooping animals. This one from the German marketplace is priced at 9.87 euros. So let's take a look at that. So let's go to the German marketplace and see how much royalties are making from this. 9.87 black and white. How many pages? This is because the BSI is really low, guys. Look at 763. That's just absolutely crazy. Estimated sales, guys. Pages 27, guys. Can you believe this? This is crazy. And when was this uploaded? Uploaded May 3rd, 2021, this year, guys. Let's take a look at the pages 27. This is unbelievable. I can't even talk anymore. This is crazy. Page count 27, calculate. Royalty £4 or €4, guys. So it's not bad. So this is unbelievable, guys. So let's take a look at the sales that they have made so far. So let's search for another tool that approximates the number of sales that I've made using the BSR. This tool is called tckpublishing.com. I'm going to leave all the links to these tools in the description below. So this tool estimates the number of sales made per month and per day. So I'm going to go back to our book. The BSR is 763. So I'm going to come back to TCK Publishing. 763 for the BSR rank. The book type is going to be a book, not an ebook. Sales per month. So let's be sure one more time. 763, that's what I put in. Okay, calculate sales. So they're making approximately 2,656 sales per month and 177 sales per day, guys. I just feel like fainting. Oh my goodness. And if they're making 177 sales per day, multiply that by, let's do some calculation, guys. So let's do some calculation. They're making 177 sales per day, multiply that by the number of royalty. Amount of royalty by Amazon says 4.02 euros times 4.02. Gosh, they're making 711.54 euros per day, guys, per day. And if we were to multiply 4.02 times how much are they making per month? 2,000. So times 2,656 sales. Oh my goodness, guys, they're making 10,000 plus euros per month. This is not in dollars, guys, euros. Wow, this is a full-time income for someone using just books. Books, guys. This is absolutely crazy. I can't even talk anymore. I'm just gonna end the video right now and do some uploading because we need to upload books as fast as possible. This is absolutely crazy. What? So guys, I'm sorry, I'm just so confused. This is the first time I'm seeing this amount of sales just from one book, and apparently from a book I didn't expect. That's why it's so surprising. And this person has apparently made several books. This one, author Jonas Becker. Let's see the same. Let's see if it's the same author. The 3 books that I found. All right, this is a different person. Let's see, third niche, different person. Okay, these are different people. So guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, This is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first to notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.